Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be solving this problem. Here is a triangle ABC. Work out the length of AB. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. So this is the diagram, so we can see that it's a triangle ABC. The angle C is 34 degrees, angle B is 26 degrees, and the angle A is an unknown angle. Of course, the line BC is 23.8 centimeters. So before working out anything here, we can obtain a value for A, because the sum of angles in the triangle is 180 degrees. So since one angle is 34, the other is 26, so the angle at A is just going to be equal to 180 minus the sum of the two angles. So this is 34 plus 26 degrees. So I'm just going to have 120 degrees here. Okay, good. So we're asked to obtain the value of the length of AB. So this is AB. I can just represent it as lowercase c because it's the side facing angle C. Now, this is B. So I can call this lowercase b because it's the side facing angle B. And of course, 23.8 is lowercase a because it's the side facing angle A. Now, we are going to need to use the sine rule to solve this problem, because questions of this nature can either be solved using the sine or the cosine rule. But the cosine rule is not going to be applicable here. So the cosine rule only works if we are given one, three sides of the triangle, and secondly, if we are given two sides and an included angle. So these are the two situations when the cosine rule is applicable. So what's the sine rule? The sine rule states that given a triangle ABC, A over sine A is going to be equal to B over sine B, which is also going to be equal to C over sine C. As I mentioned earlier, these lowercase letters are the sides, while the uppercase letters are the angles. So now we can see here that AB represents lowercase c. So this is the side of interest. Now we also have lowercase a and also uppercase A. So we can just tick this. So I've got my lowercase c, which is the unknown side. Now I have lowercase a. I also have uppercase A. So I have uppercase C and uppercase B. Okay, so the implication here is that A over sine A and C over sine C is going to work for me because B is not a letter of interest. So I'm going to be using A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. Now, lowercase a is 23.8 cm. So this is 23.8 centimeters divided by the sine of A is sine 120 degrees. So equal to C, which is AB. So I'm just going to write this as AB, the length of the line AB, over sine C. We have that already. So that's sine 34 degrees. Good. So I can just cross multiply here. So this is going to fetch me AB times sine 120 degrees is going to be equal to, so this is what I did, cross multiplication, 23.8 times sine of 34 degrees. So if I divide both sides by sine 120, so AB is going to give 23.8 sine of 34 degrees divided by sine 120. So let's just move up a little bit. So AB, the length of line AB is 23.8. Okay, so let's figure out what sine 34 degrees is. So if you want to use your calculator, ensure that your calculator is in the degree mode. So sine 34 is going to give 0.5592. So 0.5592 divided by, okay, sine 120, that's 0.8660. 8660. So multiplying 23.8 by 0.5592 produces 13.30896 divided by, we have 0.8660 underneath. So dividing this 13.30896 by 0.8660, we are going to get 15.3683. Okay, so this is the value of length AB, but we're asked to give our answer correct to one decimal place. So one decimal place means one digit after the decimal point. So there are 4 digits here. So this is the first digit after the decimal point. But because the digit that's next to it is greater than 4, we are going to have to round it up. So the length of line AB is going to be approximately equal to 15.4 centimeters. So this is our answer, correct to one decimal place. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, kindly like, subscribe, and share it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.